This is room 412.
Good evening. How can I assist you?
I'm sorry to bother. You got a really nice group.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about the noise?
It's sort like loud music and some shooting is being away on 4 hours now.
I understand. We'll send someone up to check right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I've been trying to sleep.
Absolutely. Your comfort is important to us.
Is it possible to move to another room if it goes off?
If the noise continues, we can arrange a room change for you.
Okay, thank you. I hope it gets fixed soon.
We'll do our best to resolve it quickly.
Will someone call me to follow up?
Yes, I can you back in about 15 minutes to update you.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sorry again for the inconvenience.
No problem. I just need some test.
We completely understand. We'll take care of it right away.